guys, welcome to Here's Buddy. Do you know what we are sharing this video? Our puppy. Yeah, we got a new German Shepherd puppy. Okay, let's get into the video. We're going to see our puppy. We're just going to see our German Shepherd puppy. We're not sure about buying it, but let's see. I cannot wait to see the puppy. We're almost there. We're gonna see our puppy soon. We got a dog! Yeah, it's a German Shepherd puppy. We got a new puppy here. He's our puppy. It's a male. We're home with our doggy. My dad got a crate and he is fixing it for our puppy. Our puppy's in the sunroom. My dad also got a puppy food bowl and a collar. It says K9. We got some toys for our puppy. This is a banana that squeaks. Carrot. And this is a watermelon. The dog's playing with some toys. We got soft toys, and rope toys, and chew toys that the dogs are playing with.